how to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. So if you want to add or remove the C translation option in your Instagram bio, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Now, once you open up your profile here, you will have the bio, right? So what you can do is just simply go with edit profile. Now, under your bio, you just need to simply go and add a new language or go with another language, because if you've written your bio in English, then it won't translate. So just go and choose another language. Now, once you've chosen another language, go with the tick, which is on the upper right, and add that to your bio. Once you've added that to your bio, now if you go with the other account, so for example, I'll be going with another account. Now, once you go with the another account, you can simply go with search, and under search, you can simply search for that person, and here you will have the bio, right? And under that bio, you will have the translation option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.